Right, okay guys, so I'm doing a quick video here to show you a new way of making some cash, and I've only recently sort of really stumbled across this, only purely because of the fact that someone had sent me the link over and a few conversations exchanged, and then they told me exactly what they were doing. So just a quick one to show you. As you can see here, I'm on a video platform called DTube. Okay, and DTube is very similar to YouTube, but you can earn some money using this. You can earn some money using YouTube as well, but DTube, it's a lot easier to own your own channel, and it's not restricted, and you can make some money on it. So first of all, when you do one, let's just go to steemit. Bear with me for a minute. Let's just go to the home page on steemit. Oh, really? Okay, trending. Maybe that might help. So this whole DTube is you have this video platform which uses steemit, okay, and the video platform is quite easy to upload a video. Basically drag, drop, upload a picture for your video to have on it, so people click on it, title, description, tags, and you can see here on how many people have uploaded the videos and how much they've generated, and the way they generate money is via clicking on the upvote. So if you watch, it went from £1,098.43 to £1,098 to 49 pence. So you click on people's videos and upvote, and it makes them money. So as you can see what it's doing here, yeah, so I'm helping people out by upvoting on their videos. There we go. And these people are earning some money. So you can see how this works. Now, the only problem is when you sign up for DTube, you have to sign up with steemit. When you sign up for steemit, it can take up to 2 weeks to be accepted on the steemit platform. But once you do, you can start generating straight away. You can start writing a blog, sharing bits and pieces with yourselves, with the rest of the world here, and people are going to start following you. And when they follow you, what is then going to happen is the fact that you're going to start earning some real money. And this is basically like cryptocurrency, so you can reinvest it back into DTube or steemit, and then purchase extra like upvotes or extra bits and pieces to edit your videos, or you can get all kinds of stuff. But I am new to this as well, and I'm here to learn as I go. But I thought I just wanted to get the word out, just to show people that there is another way to be earning cash uploading videos. I think you can do like PowerPoint videos, which is not too hard to do. You can talk over something that just upload it on here and put it under a certain category, and you'll start watching yourself grow with your cash in like in your bank, and you can do all kinds of stuff. So that's just a quick video that I wanted to share with. I just needed to share with you guys that there is another way to start earning some cash, and you can do that by coming on DTube and with steemit, and then connect the accounts together, and then that's it really. Just get yourself up on there and apply for an account, and then that'll be it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you come on board and actually get yourself an account with Steemit and DTube and start making some money that way. Bye for now then, guys.